Hey guys, how's everything going? This is JSer. In this video, I'm going to continue looking at the TypeScript handbook. This chapter is about enums. Let's begin. Okay, so this is a typical enums. We could write down the value or not. It will be automatically incremented from 0. So up here is actually 0. Let's take a look at what it is transpiled to JavaScript. So up, down, left, right. You can see that the direction up is set to 0 and direction down is set to 1, and then direction left is 2 3, and also it has a backward index, right? So direction up is 0 actually. Let's say console log direction 0. 0 is up. Yeah. Okay. Numeric enums can be mixed. The short story is enums without initializers either need to be first or have to come after numeric enums initialized with numeric constant. So the constant numbers must be put at the beginning, right? Yeah, it means if we say b equals this will be fine. Oh, okay, I see. Another one is string enums. Yeah, but this is literals, so numeric literals and string literals. Heterogeneous enums. Okay, we can actually mix them up, but it's just not recommended to do so. And computed and constant. So okay, so the members, enum members, if a string or numbers, they are constant, of course, and all the other things are computed. So what's the difference? Let's take a look. So this is computed, and this is computed, and this is constant members. So for transpiled, they're nothing. So nothing special, right? Yeah, it's just the file access actually. The TypeScript would know the actual literals, so have some convenience features, which will be explained later. Okay, this is a union. The enum is actually similar to union. This is very easy to understand. Say we have an enum like foo bar, and this is the argument. And if x is not e who, then x should be e bar. This is okay. Let's see here. Let's see what x is. E bar, you see. If it's not a who, then it is e bar. It just looks like a union. Okay. Next one has for runtime. Yeah, it's actually enum as we tried before. It's actually an object, so it could be passed into a function's parameters. Well, sure it is. And enums at compile time, just as we just inspect, this kind of enums will be transpiled to this JavaScript. You see that, wait a minute, and where is it? Okay, here, we transpiled like this. And to get the keys, actually we could get key of type of not. Just this is look as an object, right? Key of type of this. We can get the keys, and also we could get the values actually. Let's say the values v would be log level strings. I'm sorry, type of. So you can see the v is log level itself. Cool, because log itself when used, the enum is used, is actually pointing to the values. Okay, reverse mapping, as we inspected, you actually not only set 0 to a, but also set sets a to 0. This only works when it's a numeric. This is just a convenience feature. Okay, let's take a look. If like b equals string. You see that the string only set to b. There is no backward index. Reverse mapping. Okay, it's called a reverse mapping. Sure, and then there's a const enum. I think we should always use const enum because they are not supposed to change. And by this, the TypeScript only actually will not create those kind of mapping. They just use the direct values. Let's take a look. You see, this is JavaScript. This is a const enums, and this is what we get, right? It's just 0, 1, 2, 3. If we set like 4, 0, 4, 5, 6. And if it is not const, you see that we have this object, right? Okay, what if like this is some string? I see. So if const, it will be transpiled to array holding those direct values, or if not, you will be using the object const. Great. Use const as much as we can. The last one is ambient enums. Ambient enums are used to describe the shape of already existing enum types. They're actually just a type. They will not be transpiled to any JavaScript. Let's say declare. You see that this is nothing. So this is useful when you have some JavaScript node modules and they don't have the type. You can declare the type like this without adding to the compiled code. Okay, so this is enums. I'd prefer using it. Someone says we shouldn't use enums, but I like it actually. Of course, we should use as const as much as we can. Okay, that's all for this one. Hope it helped. See you next time. Bye bye.